In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Google Chrome bookmarks bar. If you're looking to declutter your browsing experience or just want a cleaner look while using Chrome, you've come to the right place. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few moments of your time. Before we dive in, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what the bookmarks bar is. This bar usually sits right below the address bar in your Google Chrome browser, showing quick access links to your saved bookmarks. It's a handy feature if you frequently use those bookmarks, but if you prefer a more minimalistic view or find yourself rarely using it, it can be worthwhile to hide it for a cleaner interface. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser. Now, locate your bookmarks bar, which should be right below the address bar, at the top of your browser window. The first action to take is simply to right-click somewhere on the bookmarks bar itself. This might feel a little unusual if you usually left-click, but everything starts by right-clicking here. Once you've right-clicked, you'll see a menu appear. This menu contains a variety of options related to the bookmarks bar. But for now, we're interested in one particular option, the Show Bookmarks bar. Take a close look at this menu and find the Show Bookmarks bar option. You'll notice a check mark next to it indicating that it's currently enabled. Click on it to uncheck this option, and just like that, the bookmarks bar will disappear from your view. It's as simple as that. Removing the bookmarks bar doesn't delete your bookmarks. It only hides the bar from view. You'll still be able to access all your bookmarks by going to the Bookmarks Manager or by using the shortcuts you may have set up, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your saved links. Let's also mention that you can quickly toggle the bookmarks bar back on whenever you need it. Simply right-click in that same area and check the Show Bookmarks bar to have it reappear. This way, you can switch back and forth as you need, giving you flexibility depending on your current browsing needs. Remember that learning to efficiently manage your browser tools can make your online experience smoother. There you have it, a quick and easy way to remove and reintroduce the Google Chrome bookmarks bar at your convenience. We hope you found this guide helpful for your Chrome cleanup project. Make sure to check back for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital environment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.